So hi guys, this is Madina Maideen here. This is another product review. Okay, I bought a cooking blender from Toyomi. Yeah, it cooks and it blends as well. It blends and it cooks as well. Now the model number, as you can see, it's there, it is a 220 volt, 220 to 240 volt product. The capacity of the jug is 1.75 liters. Well, it's quite big, I think, and it has 8 blades apparently. Now it's supposed to blend well, right? Fast and good. Now let me see what else is there to show before I open up the box. So this is the box again, and the model number is BLC9811, right? And it's 1200 watts power. Okay, so this part of the box, you can see the weight, the gross weight is 4.7 kilos and the net weight is 3.6 kilos. It's quite heavy, yeah. The good thing about this is this blender is it has I like the feature, the auto shut off function when lid is opened, right? And also there is auto shut off function when the jug is overheated, which is very good safety feature, right? And let me see. Okay, you have the product dimensions here. It's 366 by 281 by 343 millimeters. Okay, so yep. It has a steam vent, and it also has an overflow exhaust. It also has overflow exhaust hose. And there is a cooling fan too. Okay, nice. So this side of the box has a picture of the blender. Now there are a number of functions there. So when I open up, I'm going to show everyone the functions, right? I think this is really a good blender, yeah, to begin with. So, okay, so let us look at what's inside the box, right? So before I open up, there is the last side of the box where you have a summary of the features again. Now, yeah, they have this safety features, right? Multiple safety features, and apparently there are 9 speed settings. Okay, the capacity of the jug 1.75 liters, and they have an ice crushing function, and there is this thing. I like this auto clean function. I mean, apparently it's simple to clean, so let's see, right? And there is also a digital screen display. So it heats up to 100 degrees Celsius, which is very good. You can cook the food, and then either you can either blend and then cook, or cook and then blend. I mean, depending on what you're cooking, right? So I think this is an awesome purchase. Okay, so let's go ahead and look inside the box. Okay, so now let's open up the box, right? And see what's inside, right? Okay, they have a sponge for cleaning. Okay. This is a brush. I think it's going to be very useful. And let's see what is this. This is a measuring cup, right? 100 ml measuring cup, that's good, right? This I think goes with the lid, right? So this is the lid, and this is the cable. Okay. So what else they have in there? Okay, we have the cooking blender manual, right? Let me show you the manual. And they have a recipe book too. Awesome, right? So that's useful. Now let's bring out the base of the blender. Look at that. It's quite light, but it's strong, right? And you have all the different speed features here to make milk, soy milk, baby food, smooth soup, right? Cook, juice, and you have the DIY button here, grind, clean, okay. And this is a time speed manager, you reduce or increase, that's good. We have an instruction here, right? Hold 2 seconds for cancelling, probably, yeah. This is a tap for grind, and hold for cleaning. Okay. And now for the last item, which is in the box, that's the jug. Let's put it out. It's quite heavy. Okay, so I'll just show. It has all the markings, and yep, I can see the blades, right? 4 big blades and 4 small blades, right? So it's a heavy job. So let's put this to use and see how it goes. Okay, that's it guys. There's nothing left in the box, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye.